Hi, I'm Dr. Sushma Gupta from Agra, and I've been practicing obstetrics and gynecology for the past 35 years. And I am an obstetrician by my profession. I love taking care of the pregnant women to give them a healthy motherhood, healthy baby, healthy child, and they go from the doctor happy and healthy. So, in this context, I would like to tell my patients that we generally look for iron deficiency anemia and calcium. We have to look beyond iron and calcium to give a holistic approach to the health of the mother, because iron is needed in the body for blood, but many other multiple micronutrients are also needed by the body to help absorb iron for the metabolism of iron. So even if we do not have an iron deficiency anemia, we can have a megaloblastic anemia. That is mostly because of the deficiency of B complex iron like B6 and B12. Besides giving these multiple micronutrients, they help in the development of the fetus. There are less chances of IUGR in the fetus. The fetal brain development matters. The fetus has a lot of neuromuscular development. The IQ of the baby, what we say कि हमारा बच्चा first class है या हमारा बच्चा backbencher है, that depends a lot on what the mother is taking as a nutritive supplement, and whether she is getting a holistic diet, a holistic approach to the supplements that we doctors are providing. हमको ये भी देखना है कि in today's world, in today's time, when the food is dependent on the kitchens are not working properly, there are no fresh produce especially in the cities. So here also we do not label this as a disease of the lower underprivileged middle class people. We consider it a disease of the upper class also, because we are using reheated food, canned food, packed food. We are not getting fresh produce from the farms and getting green vegetables cooked in our kitchens, not having fruits. Fruits are coming from the cold storage. All sorts of fruits are coming, but the best fruits for us are जो season का फल होता है. A kiwi is not going to help you so much as a guava will help you. जो आपका तभी की तभी आपका उतर के सीजन का फल आया है. So because of this, each and every class of women, especially pregnant ones, need nutritional support in the form of iron, calcium, that is the basic, but other micronutrients such as zinc, such as chromium, such as choline, copper, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, and magnesium. Now, magnesium, let me come to magnesium. Magnesium has a very big role because calcium taken alone does not get so well metabolized. If it is accompanied with magnesium, firstly, the metabolization of calcium would be better, and secondly, the side effects associated with calcium absorption, constipation, diarrhea, gut immobility, those are less if magnesium is taken alongside calcium. So, for a holistic approach, ladies, I would tell you that along with iron, calcium, folic acid supplements, focus on other micronutrients and the other vitamins, because in our daily diet these days we are not able to get these from our daily diet. We have stopped using iron vessels. We have stopped using जो खेत से निकल के सामान आ रहा है, ट्रांसपोर्ट से आया है, कोल्ड स्टोरेजेस में रखा जा रहा है, बाजार में बेचा जा रहा है. So much of pesticides, so much of inorganic things we are using. So let us be happy, healthy, and जिसे कहते हैं जागरूक towards our health. Thank you, girls.